Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve this device is currently in use error when ejecting external drive and Windows 11 with the error message. This device is currently in use. Close any programs or windows that might be using the device and then try again. So this means the system thinks the drive, and there are a couple of reasons why this device is currently in use is that even when the user does not see them, background processes or system services may still be using the drive. File indexing services and antivirus scan or other system utilities that monitor external drives can prevent the safe ejection process. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. So dito lang sa blank space area ng ating taskbar dito sa computer ay kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And then dito sa Task Manager at dito lang sa Processes tab. So, examine the list of for any processes related to the drive or applications that might use it. So, select ka lang dito sa mga apps o processes tab na related dito sa drive sa applications. Okay? So, for example, select ka lang dito and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, kailangan mo lang i-end task. Alright? So, click mo lang dito yung end task. Okay? So, after dito sa task manager, so, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Windows Explorer. Ayan. And then, mag-a-appear ka agad dito. And then, ang gagawin natin dito is to restart. So, select and right-click. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright? So once na-restart mo na itong Windows Explorer, and then close lang natin itong Task Manager, and there other solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable antivirus scanning temporary. Alright? So kung paano ba yan? All you have to do is to click on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. At dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung Windows security. So click lang natin yan. And then next step is select mo lang dito yung virus and threat protection. So click lang natin yan. At dito lang sa Windows security at dito lang sa virus and threat protection settings, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung manage settings. And then, dito lang sa real-time protections ay kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Okay? So, turn off natin yan. And then, if you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So, once na-turn off na natin yan, and then close lang natin. At dito lang sa start menu, and then, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix this device is currently in use when injecting external drive and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.